it has like many bugs, errors,
Uh,
problems.
Instagram.
Yeah, bro. I want for
Uh,
TikTok now.
okay, you have tested for the Instagram, right? And now you have to.
Yeah,
You want to change to the TikTok one,
yes, because I was using the main software, the
the main
it's like
software,
uh-huh
the main
for
software.
it.
Okay, okay. I got it.
Yeah, but that doesn't work properly. So
Hmm.
yeah, I
Okay.
want like a solution for TikTok and Instagram. I want to start with TikTok
Uh huh.
and then for Instagram.
Có TikTok của anh vẫn chạy được đúng không? Để em lấy demo của anh. So okay. Um, as I we have been working in this career for about nearly 10 years, and of
Okay.
course there were a lot of people.
Mm-hmm.
They used to use the phone box farming,
Uh-huh.
and of course that is the hard devices, and it will have a lot of errors during the time that you use, even with the software or not. You got it. That is the
Mm-hmm.
bad. That is the disadvantage of the box phone.
Mm-hmm.
That is one thing, and also it is it will be cannot be affordable to a specific person because the total price is so high.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mhm. And as we mentioned, all the clients that you just need the PC or laptop or even the VPS if you use the MacBook. Okay,
Uh-huh.
you just use only one main software to manage all multiple accounts inside one software. And you know because when you run on cloud, it's different when you run on the browser. And about browser, you will have more functions than the cloud on the device, on, like, for example, the box phone or the phone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that is I have one client also. Firstly, he he wanted to use the box phone for building some model about the social media, like Facebook, Insta, and TikTok and Twitter for once. But I tell him to focus on the browser, and he just need only one PC only, and the and he set up all the software on that PC. That's all. And what we just need right now is just the account and with the proxy.
Mm-hmm.
And that is.
Okay, pero the thing is, o sea, because I want to publish videos, distribute content on TikTok, the posts get views because I always like TikTok prioritize like the content when it's uploaded from real device.
Of course I know. Yeah. And all the, like, for example, every day you use manually the social platform, right? Whatever you use, it all in one automation tool, and you can run it in a other big scale with a lot of,
Okay,
yeah, and manage a lot of accounts like that. So that is the advantage of that one, and it's more and it's much cheaper. Yeah. And it is, like, I think uh some I think it is like more convenient and
mm-hmm.
effective and more effective than the box phone. And to myself, I don't like the box phone so much. Yes. But if you want to use the box phone, okay, it doesn't matter. I can still provide you, but it will have the error. We cannot avoid the error during the time reviews. It will take time, to fix that. Yeah. But with the automation tool on browser, like, we have the updates every day. We have the update version every day. If something happens, some error happen, the dev team will fix it immediately, and it is easy to solve, not just like the box phone, the hard devices.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Okay, so my question is the accounts get views, doesn't get shadow ban on
Bills,
TikTok.
bills, bills.
Sí,
You mean bills?
sí, o sea, like because I want like the videos I post on TikTok
Mm-hmm.
get views because usually when you upload from browser, the views are less. I don't want the accounts be shadow banned.
No, of course no. Firstly, you have to make sure this, even you use one PC, okay, but
Uh-huh.
inside our software there will be an algorithm to make the, to hide the, to hide the devices. For
Mm-hmm.
example, your PC or your laptop, okay. So whenever
Mm.
even you use 100 or 1000 TikTok accounts, but
Okay.
one thing is more important is that you need the proxy. And you understand proxy?
Yeah, see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. The proxy will attack to one by one account, and it will have the account run smoothly as well as safer. Okay.
Okay.
And for example, when you post something on
Mm-hmm.
specific, you post a video on specific account, the view
Mhm.
had the view has been expanded as usual normally.
Okay.
Mhm. So
And
that's the
we
same. Yeah.
okay. And which proxies do you recommend to use your
Static IPv4 proxy, that will be
your
the most compatible. Yeah.
static ISP?
Static
Uh-huh.
IPv4. Static IPv4.
Uh-huh. IP. Uh-huh. PV4.
Mm-hmm.
Residential or mobile?
Uh-huh. The browser.
Uh-huh.
The browser only.
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
Okay.
About the mobile, there will be so much like the mess. It was a lot of stuff, so I don't want to mention about it. Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And with your software, I can schedule, like, for example, the warm up of the accounts. For example, every day,
Um, I, I,
warm up
I
at
can show you.
9.
I can show you
Okay.
right now. I can show you right now. Okay, you can
Yeah.
have a direct vision. Okay.
Okay.
Anh Triệu gửi em demo cho nó phát. TikTok. You want TikTok? What about
TikTok.
the Instagram?
TikTok.
Okay,
Let's
okay,
start with TikTok.
okay, okay. So, do you have any accounts yet, or you
No,
haven't got
for
it?
no, no,
Okay,
for
okay, okay.